Okay, so the project for this Saturday morning is acorns. Usually we use the two backpack blowers here and we blow the yard clean, get them over to like a driveway here, and then we scoop them up and throw them in the back of the truck. And that's how we get rid of them. Raking them will take all day, and usually when you try vacuuming them up with a mower, it doesn't work. So today we have the two backpacks. We have Billy and Conrad. But we brought the windstorm. So we're going to try, because usually it's small sections of her yard she wants us to do, but today it's like the whole yard. And that's not even a quarter of it, what you see there. So it's huge. So we're going to attempt to do the bulk of it with the windstorm and see what happens with the nozzle pointing at the ground. And then we'll do whatever else we have to with the backpacks. So let the games begin.
Yeah.
Hello guys.
I'm filming. Well, your dad's gonna hear you swearing, so.
No.
Okay. So I just had a brilliant idea. Me and Billy just got done mowing the shop, and he just moved the truck because we got to clean the truck out. Wasn't that right, Billy?
Look how far Pops is.
He's all the way over there.
Dude. He's all the way by 4 miles.
My brilliant idea was, you see this beautiful thing right here?
He's coming back. He's on his way back. He's on Lake Road.
Alright. We're gonna try and scare him with it.
He's coming this way.
Is he?
Yeah, look, watch. You can see his thing moving. He's going down Lake Road. So he's probably gonna go all the way to there.
And shoot up Rentonville Road.
Straight shot up there.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna try and scare him. And huh? That's the plan. Because he left us here and he said, "Don't break anything." We didn't break anything.
Yeah.
But
we're going to lay down his stomach for about 10 minutes, using his hands to scrape out the deck.
Because Billy clogged up the mower.
Yeah, because somebody forgot to mow
mowed the shop.
Not gonna say any names or anything, but Billy.
Conrad!
So we're just gonna wait for him to get back, and we'll pick up the camera when he's about here, and
I'll let you know
get set.
Hurry up!
Are you gonna stand in here?
We got Conrad up there hiding.
I see the shot back going and nobody's standing around. I should have known.
That was the whole plan. We literally had this planned out. So
You guys film me from both angles? That's gonna be
we
sweet.
literally, so we came in.
Shut this off.
Nah, we'll record it. So we were sitting here, we finished mowing, we came in, ripped it around here real quick, and then I pulled up the truck, backed in right there, and then I go, Conrad was like, what if we get him with the beat blaster? I was like, sick, let's go. I whipped on my phone, checked where you were, we were like just coming down River Road, and I can't hear it at all. And so we grabbed the vacuum, had this literally set up. We grabbed the vacuum, plugged it in, got it ready just so it was just making noise. And then
Conrad,
we filled
up top there.
We filled up the bead blaster. We had music playing, got that ready, and like we put like the cameras. And we were sitting there watching, and we had all these as like distractions, so you wouldn't think of anything. The vacuum going, the music going. Then you came in, and I went to push the thing. I'm like, the thing's not working. And then you come along, and I yanked it forward.
You know what the stupid thing is? I looked over at you and I saw it in your hand and I didn't think a thing about it.
You literally walked, looked at me, come on, going.
So I spent all day rebuilding the engine on that walker, put new heads on it, and got the whole thing back together. It was not fun, pretty, or easy, but it is done. And we put the 56 deck on it. So now I got Billy running it around. There's still a little bit of smoke coming out of it, but that's because the muffler was filled with oil. And so Billy's running her around. You can smell the oil burning off it. And this thing could be nice. So drive it around. So that back tire definitely leaks air, but I think it just keeps popping off the bead. So we'll break it down, put some tire sealer around that bead, and go to town. But we got the whole thing back together. It sounds a lot better than it did. And we dumped the oil out of it, put a new filter on it. Keeps puffing a little bit of smoke every once in a while, but like I said, I'm pretty sure that's just the excess oil that was in the muffler burning off. If not, I screwed something up. Okay, so here is the shop and everything here. So what we have over here, we have the Walker MT with the 56 side discharge with Conrad driving and the cargo in the dump bed. Now we have the Walker MT with the 48-inch collection deck. We have the SCAG V-Ride 2 with a 52-inch deck. We have the SCAG V-Ride 1 with a 52-inch deck. And we have the SCAG WINDSTORM. And of course the plows, Toro snowblower, Toro Timemaster 30. Once was an aerator, will eventually be a golf cart or something of the like. Over here we have the X-Mark Vantage with a 52-inch deck, the Toro Grandstand with a 52-inch deck, and the right Stander with a 32-inch deck. Why am I showing you this? Because people have found it in their best interest. I don't know why it's in their best interest. None of these machines cost them any money, and none of them make them any money. But however you want to look at it, some goofy ass pieces of, you can't see that, it's a family channel, you gotta see something else. Some people have found it in their best interest to comment on my videos and other videos, what's wrong with Countryside, he's got 2 guys and 7 mowers. There's a reason for that. One, I'm obsessed with mowers, I love projects, and I'll buy as many as I darn well please. And you know what? You think there's only 7 in here now? You wait, there could be 10 in here in a week. Who knows? I'll keep buying more. But for the record, these idiots, these mowers are all fully functioning every day. These 2 mowers run, but they bog down and they lose power. There's issues with both of them. I don't know yet what it is. That's a Kawasaki 26 horse. That is a Kohler EFI 25 horse. They're both having the same exact issue. And I haven't had time to mess with them yet. But this mower runs every day. So, up until today when we just got that thing back running again, the engine put back together, we had these 3 mowers. So out of 7 mowers, I had 2 52s, and then I had that I had the 56-inch deck on. So, 3 mowers. Now, if mowers go down, you got to have backups. These mowers are down. I have to have backups. That's why I have so many mowers. And for the other reasons. These 2 are friggin' idiots. Absolute idiots. I should definitely stop paying him, and I should get a separate special tax bracket for this moron.